my people, like brown people. Can you shut up? I'm trying to talk to the boy over there singing to me. I don't want to talk to you, boy. Can you stop it, the boy here? Stop it, bro. I swear I would chunk rock on you and eat you. I'm sorry for talking to that crazy to the bird like that, but hey, my bro, we here. I've been here. You there? Can y'all tell that bird to shut up? Brad, can you shut your mouth? Somebody give me right, me chunk that damn boy out. Eat that milk. Excuse me. Now I got to start all over. The damn boy don't interrupt my damn conversation. You see that boy still talking? Brad, shut up. You hear that damn boy?
International superstar Michael Blackson, and it will be presented by the mother of our nation.
Fully attired.
I'm very proud of you, and you can come back and find your root. We are here waiting for all Africans, especially those who are making an impact back there. So welcome. So before you leave, you have to perform.
Hey, man.
Yes.
Man, Liberia is beautiful. I need to move here. Hollywood is finished. P. Diddy mess up Hollywood. Better people, where you at? Bassa people, where you at?
Bassa people.
Gizzy?
A very successful woman looking for a husband. We're gonna claim the dagger tonight. I'm the father tonight.
Listen.
Everything starts with education. Your whole life, this way your life begins is right here. This way is going to determine what's going to be in the future of your life. It starts with here. It starts with listening to your teacher, obeying your parents at home, and always put God first. Remember that.